With personal injury, the main thing is medical expenses. You have somebody who's got pain and suffering, and this is something that affects their entire life. The first thing they want to know is how can they seek medical treatment and who's going to cover that treatment. So what we do here is we try to get them the best medical care as possible, and we try to make sure that they're covered by their insurance company. But that person dealing with the insurance company on their own is going to be difficult and tricky because, as you know, the insurance company wants to do as little as possible. So it's good to get an attorney right away in the beginning of your personal injury case. We can guide you through that and get you the compensation you need immediately for those expenses. But then thinking long term, you have the ripple effect of, well, being injured, it affects your entire family life, your entire marriage life. You have somebody now who has to be cared for who didn't have to be cared for before, and it affects everything going forward. So with that as well, we want to establish that long-term claim as well and get you compensation going forward for the future problems that you're going to have that you may not know about at the time. And if that little bit helps them get through this injury and going forward, then that's what we're trying to do, and that's what we're looking to help with. I think what makes us different is, in addition to being a small to medium size where you know you're going to have the continuity of one attorney on your case, I think that we're willing to take cases that others may not. Sometimes there's a claim where somebody comes in, a claim that is not very popular. This firm is different from others in that we're not afraid to take on whatever your claim is as long as we know that there's a claim there. With civil litigation, basically I'm there to help the person take their claim to court. And whether that's personal injury or that's something with animal law or even zoning, that's what I'm here for.